3 का यूनिट 2 जिसमें है नंबर, कैरेक्टर एंड स्ट्रिंग। ठीक है, नंबर क्लास और उसके मेथड है, कैरेक्टर क्लास उसके मेथड है, स्ट्रिंग क्लास और उसके मेथड है, स्ट्रिंग बिल्डर क्लास उसके मेथड, स्ट्रिंग बफर उसके मेथड, ऑटो बॉक्सिंग एंड अनबॉक्सिंग ये क्या है। ठीक है, सबसे पहले क्या है, नंबर, कैरेक्टर एंड स्ट्रिंग चैप्टर यूनिट है। नाउ व्हाट अ रैपर in Java, every data type, primitive data type has a wrapper and object version of primitive. इन जावा एवरी प्रिमिटिव डेटा टाइप्स हैज रैपर। प्रिमिटिव के अंदर बाइट, शॉर्ट, इंट, लॉन्ग, फ्लोट, डबल, कैर, बुलियन ये सारा आ जाता है। रैपर क्लास बाइट, शॉर्ट, इंटीजर, लॉन्ग, दिस रैपर क्लास रैप primitive values into object, like you use collections, right? Like list, this, map, and this because collection stores many objects, not primitive. Okay, you need to use method define in object. You need to repeat, you need to represent a null. You need to represent a null values. Primitive cannot be null. Inheritance tree, ये ट्री है जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट है, ऑब्जेक्ट का नंबर बुलियन कैरेक्टर हो गया, नंबर के अंदर बाइट, कोड, इंटीजर ऐसा हो गया। ऑल रैपर क्लास इनटू इनहेरिट फ्रॉम ऑब्जेक्ट, और रैपर क्लास इनहेरिट फ्रॉम ऑब्जेक्ट, बाइट्स और दिस एंड दैट। इंपॉर्टेंट नोट्स, रैपर क्लास ऑब्जेक्ट हैव डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू null since they are object. Wrapper class object have default value. Primitive variables never have null. Java assign them a default value. Wrapper object are immutable. Once created, their value cannot be changed. If changed, a new object is created. Use primitive for performance faster. Use wrapper class when you need object or null values. Primitive values. ठीक है, एक सेकंड, प्रिमिटिव वैल्यूज ये सारा होते हैं। रैपर क्लास कहते हैं इनहेरिटेंस, ये इंपॉर्टेंट। रैपर क्लास ऑब्जेक्ट हैव डिफॉल्ट वैल्यू। Why use number class? Number class is an abstract superclass. Abstract का superclass. Number class is an abstract superclass for numeric wrapper, byte, integer and convert values between number types. Byte value common method for number class. Number class के कुछ method, byte value, short value, int value, long, float, double, compare to, ऐसे इसके साथ ये लग जा रहा। Convert into long, convert into int, convert into short, like of that. Conversion method of integer class. Static integer does static integer decode. Static int parse int. Static int parse int this converts. Example program. छोड़ो इसका, आगे बढ़ते। रैपर क्लास ऑब्जेक्ट वर्जन ऑफ अ टाइप, नंबर क्लास एब्स्ट्रैक्ट सुपर क्लास, ऑटो बॉक्सिंग प्रिमिटिव, रैपर क्लास अनबॉक्सिंग रैपर, प्रिमिटिव एडवांटेजेस ऑफ रैपर, डिसएडवांटेज। फॉर्मेटिंग न्यूमेरिक फॉर प्रिंट ऑब्जेक्ट, इट मीन्स दैट व्हेन you use system.out.println, Java automatically converts number into string and print them. When you use system.print, Java automatically converts number into string and print them. However, println does not let you control how the number appears. The printf and formats. This section explains the instead of using println, Java provides printf and format method for print, stream and system.out.println. Scanner. Both methods work the same. Number, string and displays the format specifier. D for integer, F for float, S for string, and for new line. And yeah, character, single character, string, collection of characters, character char, एक single. Okay, string builder, changeable, mutable string, string buffer, like string building. Character classes, easy version. The character classes wrap a single character inside an object. Character class wrap a single character inside an object. Think of it as putting a single letter inside a small box. Think of it like putting a single letter inside a small box so that Java can treat it as an object, not just a primitive value. Why use character class instead of char? Sometimes Java need object, not primitive data. When storing data in collection like array, list, vector, etc., you can only store object, not primitive values. Java lets you wrap the char in a character box. Real life example. Imagine you have a letter A writing on a paper, but if you want to store it in a digital folder, you must wrap inside the envelope. Auto boxing. Java can automatically convert char to character when needed. You don't always have to write new common method of character classes is letter. Check if CS is letter. कैरेक्टर क्लास के मेथड क्या है? इज लेटर. चेक इफ ch is letter or not. is digit, is white space, is upper case, is lower case, टू अपर केस, टू लोअर केस, टू स्ट्रिंग एनी है. How to remember? Char, to lose alphabet lying on the table. Character, the alphabet still in the small box. String, a chain of alphabet. String builder, a flexible chain that can be stretched. String buffer, same as string builder but built strong for multi-thread. Character wraps, class for char, use when you need to treat as an object. Provides method to check type or change case. Immutable, cannot change its value once created. Automatically converts between char. String is a sequence of character, Java and letter string classes. Okay, in a Java, string is a class and its objects are mutable, meaning once created their value cannot be changed. Creating string object using string literals. Creating a string object using string literals. String str, welcome to the Java. String, welcome to this is a string literals. Java automatically creates a string for it using new keyword and constructor char and this later. String creates an empty string. String value creates a new string with the same character value. The string converts a char. Important string method. Index of int ch, give index of int ch, last, give index of last, index of find character, substring, last index. Program explain. String sequence of character string object are immutable, created using string literals and constructor. Java reuse string with same value. String class method. Length method, return the total number of this. Char at method, return the character present and the given index. Conversion between like value of, sometimes number are stored as this value of used to convert a string into numeric. These method help compare two or more string to check if they are equal. String builder in Java. String builder is a mutable sequence of character. Unlike string classes, object of a string builder can be modified after creation. Words like a variable length array character faster than a string, best for repeated modification. String builder operation. String builder provides some extra operation not available in string, like append, insert, delete and reverse. Set char at, change the single character at the specific index. Automatic capacity expansion. Whenever you use append, insert and set length and the new data exceeds the current capacity. String buffer class and its method. String buffer class is used to create modifiable string object. It is similar to string builder but thread safe. Used when multiple threads can modify the same string. Autoboxing and unboxing. Autoboxing, it is an automatic conversion of a primitive type into the wrapper class object by the Java compile. It is the automatic conversion of the Java object by the Java compile. It is the reverse process where a wrapper object is automatically converted to its primitive type. Automatically converts a primitive value into wrapper class. Unboxing automatically converts a wrapper class object back to the primitive PW automatic or unboxing wrapper. Avoid autoboxing unboxing from in performance sensitive code because it's as overheaded. This feature make code cleaner but don't remove the difference between primitive and object.